Let me share with you a few ideas on how to brighten up your Christmas party or any other occasions tables with the simple, delicious finger food appetizer, or you can call it cannabis. Savory is made of spicy or salty flavors, okay? Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for tuning in once again. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'll start by displaying each one of them step by step and the items used without interrupting you with my voice. At the end of it, I'll let you know which one was my favorite, what you should and don't. Please do enjoy watching. So lovelies, here is the last example on how to get your finger food appetizer done at home. It is super easy to make and fun to have a bite of it. Your families and friends will love you, will be all around you on Christmas Day parties until the plate is empty. You mustn't use the same items I use. You can be so creative and use whatever you have at home to make all those small bites ready. Yeah, the last one is my baguette spreaded with some butter, lay out with your cheese. Okay, I have rolled cheese. Just dip the tip in a paprika, red paprika, just to have contrast and a beautiful flavor. You want to top in with the sliced green bell pepper, and that's it. This is what my plating looks like. The first one is the Tramasini sandwich spreaded with egg salad. It's not my favorite for one reason. I'd rather go for any other sandwich bread in place of the Tramasini. And then I have my baguette spreaded with butter, some spice, cold cut ham, and the mushroom. And this was great. I have the cucumber with paprika and olive. That's my favorite. And then we have the Austrian cheese sausage with pickles and tomatoes. Like guys, this one will melt in your mouth. Be careful, it shouldn't be hot because of the cheese. We have our meatloaf for my husband and mustard with egg. It was good. I have the shrimps in bacon and also the avocado. Okay, shrimps, bacon with avocado. You can imagine what that is. It's so good. And then our cheese and yeah, baguette. It was all great. So I bet you just be creative and you will love your celebration day. I wish you all Merry Christmas and I wish you all the best of the celebration season. Thank you so much for being supportive and do enjoy your Christmas, you all. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, lovelies. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you have watched to this time, lovelies, you are the best. Thank you so much. Okay, please don't forget to share. Leave your opinion down below and see you in my next one. Merry Christmas once again. Bye for now.